I am married to the man who I consider to be the love of my life. He's my second marriage. And I knew the day that I met him, I knew he was the one. Now, what I didn't know, because, here at that point, we met in 2012, I had already been a certified life coach for, a number of years, and thought I knew it all, right? And here I am all these years later, still working on myself, because it's a journey. It's not a destination, right? And what I didn't know when I met him, because I was working on myself, Evan, I had broken up with somebody and was like, nope, I'm going to focus on me. I'm not going to date. And I met him 2 weeks later.
Mm-hmm.
So I had 2 weeks to like work on myself, right? What I didn't realize was I was so broken. I had no idea how broken I was, because I had
Mm-hmm.
come from a 21-year marriage, 25-year relationship with my ex-husband, and I hadn't cleaned up all the garbage and baggage that had accumulated from that long-term relationship. And I met him, and he loved me so much that he would hold my hands, because we would get in a little disagreement or something, and I would expect him to react the way my ex acted.
Right.